Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our C2C tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to be making our C2C into a triangle. To make your corner to corner or C2C into a triangle shape, go for as many rows as you want. If you're making a shawl, this is going to be, your neck will be up here and these edges will fold down over your shoulders like that. So you can judge that by, so your hands will be over on this side and the point will be down your back. So keep going until it's the size that you want. To finish off the row, just keep going like usual. So slip stitch that last block and then build this block here. So do your chain 3 and your 3 double crochets. Oop. So chain 1 and cut your yarn. Pull your hook up and your yarn through and snug that down to secure. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial. If you are going to be making a shawl, we are going to be also doing 2 other tutorials of how to do a super simple border of just these little stitches along these edges, so that will all match. And then a more complicated border with some, what do we call them, hanging fern leaves or something off of them. Kind of like tassels for the not tassel person. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and stay hooked!